Good morning, students. Yesterday we were studying about the sounds in the middle of words. What we were studying yesterday? We were studying about the sounds in the middle, right? And then what we did, we made squares, and in the middle square we had added. We did fill in the blanks by adding a letter, correct? Then what words we formed? We formed JAM, jam, FAT, fat, CAT, cat, BAG, bag. Today we are going to start with question number 2. What question we are going to start today? We are going to start with question number 2. What is given in the question number 2? Here it is told that write E. What is told in question number 2? Write E second. Write E, I, O and U. Write E, I, O, U in the proper boxes. Where? In the proper boxes. We have some boxes. In those boxes what we have to write? We have to see appropriate. कुठे आपल्याला ई टाकायचं, कोणत्या बॉक्स मध्ये ई लिहायचा, कोणत्या बॉक्स मध्ये आय लिहायचा, कसला अंदाज घेऊन करायचं ते remaining letters, 2 letters which are there, no, that letters. So first box which I am drawing here is of the first letter which I am drawing here is of here P, then N, this side also it is T, and here also it is N. This is our first box. Okay. Second box which is given in the book is letters which are given over here are which letters? F, N, B, and here also N. Understood? 2 places N is there. Here also N, 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 N. Are you getting? So what we have to do? We have to see now. If we will add I, what it will become? If we will add E, that time also what words it will become, that we are going to do it. Okay, that we are going to finalize by adding either E. एक तर E टाकणार आपण ह्या बॉक्स मध्ये, किंवा I टाकणार, किंवा O or U. Okay, any one letter we have to add to the middle box. Any one letter we have to add to which box? In the middle box. Okay, so the first box is of P, N, T, N. If we will add E, that time also what it will become? It will become P-E-N, pen, T-E-N, ten. Is it correct? Yes, definitely it is correct. बरोबर आहे. If I will write here I, what word it will become? It will become P-I-N, pin. You have safety pins, you say, or then hair pin. P-I-N, pin, T-I-N, tin. Tin means what? Dabba. Yes or no? So I is also correct and E is also correct. Now in second box, let us put here, we will, the most appropriate letter which we can put here is, I think so, which we will use here is E. Okay, what we will use here is E. Let us see, because more 2 boxes are there. अजून 2 boxes आहे. आपल्याला जर काही चेंजेस करायचे असतील तर आपण ते चेंजेस करू शकतो. कसे? इथे ई ऐवजी आपण आय टाकू शकतो, कारण की अजून 2 बॉक्सेस आपल्याला तयार करायचेच. आणि त्याच्यामध्ये जर ई पाहिजे असेल तर आपण हा ई काढू आणि इथे आय टाकू. ओके, सो third box which is given here is, the third box which is given here is of B and Y and C, W. And last box which is given in the book is of, let me draw, it is of D, here N, here also N, and this side it is P. Okay, now if I will say P-U-N, D-U-N, then P-U-N, pun, no. Then D-I-N, then P-I-N, pin, no. Which word will fit over here? Which letter will fit here? D-E-N, den. Yes. Den. Den is what? Den means where lion lives. Correct or not? The house of lion is called den. Correct? गुफा जी असते त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो? Den. And pen, pen. It is correct. Yes, it is correct. You will say yes, definitely it is correct. Then what we are going to do here is we are going to remove e and we are going to add ear. Den, den, and pen, pen. We have got two words. Okay. Now which word I will add over here, or which not word I will say, which letter if I will add here, then it will become something meaningful word. B, if I will add O, B-O-Y, boy, C-O-W, cow. Yes, naturally what it will become? B-O-Y, boy, and C-O-W, cow. O, day, day. Pronunciations are what of? A. Den, pen, day, A, E. Okay, E sound is there. A, den, pen. Then here, bo, O, boy, cow, O. Both places what is there? O is there. Which vowel is there here? O vowel is used. Here which vowel is used? Here E vowel is used. Understood? Have you understood? So now here which from E, I, O, U we have completed O. This is over and E is over. Now only two vowels are left. Which are those? I and U. So if I will write here U, it will suit or what? It will make some meaningful words. Yes, naturally it will make meaningful words. The first word which is made here is fun. F-U-N, fun. Correct or not? We say or not? We had lot of fun in the picnic. आम्ही खूप मजा केली. That fun, okay? And B-U-N, bun means what? It is food stuff. Correct or not? Or then girls are having some buns they put in their hair. So both words are meaningful. So we have used which vowel over here? We have used U vowel over there in the second box. Can you see it is visible? दिसतंय का तुम्हाला? Yes, it is visible. So now the first box which is left here, which vowel we will write now here? E is over, O is over, U is over, then I is left, so I will write here I. And which words I will get by adding I? P-I-N, pin, and T-I-N, tin. I told you P-I-N, pin means what? Safety pin, hair pin, pins are there. And tin means what? Tin means tiffin, dabba, you call in Marathi. So in this way we have completed question number 2 of your English Balbharti. Write E, I, O and U in the proper boxes. This is first box, second box, third box and fourth box. In first box we have added I, letter. It is a vowel. I is what? Vowel. So we have got two words. P-I-N, pin, T-I-N, tin. In second box we have added U. Then we have got two words. F-U-N, fun, B-U-N, bun. In third box we have added O vowel. So we have got two words that they are which words? B-O-Y, boy, C-O-W, cow. And in the last box we have added E vowel. So we have got two words, that is D-E-N, den, and P-E-N, pen. Pen means what? Pen which we there are ink pens, there are ball pens, that pen. Den means what? It is the house of lion. Correct or not? House of lion is called den. In Marathi you call it gufa, cave. Correct or not? House of lion is called den. In this way we have completed all four boxes properly by adding to it letters, and those letters are which letters? Those letters are vowels. Have you understood? So what is your homework today? What you have to do? You have to write down. Yesterday I told you to write down first question. Add A, and two boxes were given. Two figures were there. I told you to draw those boxes in your English notebook. Today you have to write down second question. It is there in your textbook. It is there here. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to draw all these 4 boxes and you have to add. In middle box, you have to add what? You have to add correct letter, or you can say correct vowel in the boxes. Have you understood? Have you understood what is your homework for today? Please complete your homework and send it to your WhatsApp group. Okay? Thank you.
मम्मी